Russia has launched one of its largest aerial assaults of the war against Ukraine, firing approximately 948 drones in a single massive wave that signals the likely start of a new and intensified offensive. The attack targeted multiple regions across Ukraine, including cities far from the front lines, with strikes hitting residential areas, infrastructure, and even historically significant sites, resulting in deaths, injuries, and widespread damage. What makes this assault especially notable is its strategy. Russia is increasingly relying on large numbers of drones, including kamikaze-style weapons, to overwhelm Ukraine's air defenses, making it difficult to intercept every threat despite ongoing resistance. This barrage appears to be part of a broader military push, as reports indicate rising ground assaults along a sprawling front line and a buildup of Russian forces in preparation for sustained combat operations. For Ukraine, the situation is becoming more challenging due to limited air defense resources and the sheer volume of incoming attacks, raising concerns about its ability to protect both civilians and critical infrastructure over time. The strikes have also heightened tensions beyond Ukraine's borders, with nearby countries like Poland taking precautionary measures to secure their airspace, reflecting fears of potential regional spillover. On a global level, the escalation underscores the evolving nature of modern warfare, where drones play a central role in both strategy and impact, and highlights the ongoing uncertainty surrounding the conflict's trajectory. Overall, this unprecedented drone attack represents a significant escalation, suggesting that the war is entering a more aggressive phase with potentially far-reaching humanitarian, military, and geopolitical consequences.